with chair and minutes daily. Lose beer belly. Trim waist. Build abs in weeks. Next, watch closely. First move. Hold 45 seconds. Sit upright. Bend elbows. Arms up. March in place. Lifting one leg at a time. Swing arms like walking. Repeat steadily. Second move. Hold 45 seconds. Sit upright. Place hands on thighs. Extend left leg. Raise arm. Lean right. Return. Extend right leg out. Raise right arm overhead. Lean left right. Return to start. Repeat. Third move. Hold 45 seconds. Sit. Hands on chair edge. Ripped. Press down with both hands. Lift feet. Tuck knees to chest. Raise off chair. Hands planted. Raise abs. Repeat. Rest for 15 seconds. Fourth move. Hold 45 seconds. Sit on a chair. Elbows bent. Arms forward. Step left forward. Straighten knee. Roll arms back. Squeeze blades. Return to the starting position. Open thigh. And repeat this movement. Fifth move. Hold 45 seconds. Sit tall. Legs straight. Elbows bent. Now clench fists. Uppercut with left arm. Hand at chest. Fist overhead. Alternate arms. Repeat. Last move. 45s. Sit on chair edge. Arms out. Elbows bent. Back supported. Lift feet. Circle arms like jump rope. Tap floor. Repeat. Nice work. Later.